When I was 8 or 9, the rheumatologist told my mom she didn't believe me when I said that the probing of my swollen joints didn't hurt. I remember the way the doctor always held my hand in her hands, palpating each knuckle. She attempted an encouraging smile as she searched my face for evidence of the pain she thought I was lying about. Her hands were clinically cold and pale, like the examination rooms I visited every month or so for years. I really don't remember that pain. It started so early, before I even had language. How could I be expected to understand a completely normal part of my life as something foreign and unwelcome? There's a picture of me at about 2 years old, sitting on the floor in a party dress, holding my pink bunny and looking up at the camera. By that age, I was starting to learn that the hard things that were happening to my body were hard for my family too. I had already started to learn that being a good girl was to hide parts of myself that were hard for others. I didn't want my family to be unhappy, and I didn't want to feel like a burden. Pain very clearly shaped my identity in ways that I've only started to unravel in middle age. Learning to recognize my pain and the role it has played in my life has helped me further figure out who I am. It's not a silver lining or a bright side. It's just how life works, I think. The pain is part of me, and it has a way of bringing into focus the other parts of me. When walking became more painful, it led me to cycling. I found another way to move about the city, to experience nature, and another way to connect to my community. My love for cycling evolved into advocacy for cycling and for building communities where everyone gets to experience the freedom of movement. My advocacy work has provided a sense of purpose, the closest friendships I could have ever hoped for, and many opportunities to learn and grow. I no longer try to hide or suppress my pain. I curse it most days, actually, and I fear it. I know there will be more, and that the rest of my life will be spent managing it. I just try to sit with the tension that the other fundamental parts of myself exist because of my relationship with pain.